All right, got it figured out. Let me get over here. Actually, I turned the camera off and didn't know it was off when I come over here and talk. So, hey, I just want to say in closing, thank you for everything. Thank you for participating in the Grove and in our company, what we're doing. I wanted to close and talk about Black Friday. Black Friday was a deal that I came up with on that Wednesday before Thanksgiving. And it was not intentional. I never even thought I was going to do a Black Friday until that evening, and just popped in my head, and I said, I'm going to do it. So I just wanted to let you know that it wasn't something, people that had bought a home that week, I could have said, hey, there's going to be a Black Friday sale, you could wait. And I didn't know I was going to do it. So I just wanted, if there's anybody that's kind of sore about that, sorry, it was not intentional. So right now we're looking, I didn't know how many homes we had sold. I know my brother at Thanksgiving Day, I didn't want to bother anybody, but I text him, you can text your brother, right? And I text him and I said, how many people, And he said, he didn't know. He thought maybe 2. And what had happened was Will and Becky, Tyler, and Tim, the sales staff, they were going through the emails and clearing out the email and putting it in their email so they could keep track of them. So Sam didn't know how many. And I was like, oh man, all weekend. And I didn't want to bother anybody until Monday, right? So then when I got ready to meet with everybody Monday, we started talking and I'm like, oh my God, there was like 100 emails, right? Some would double, some people had questions, so that wasn't full 100. And we found out this morning, we still have about 14 more that we needed to finalize today on some folks, that we may have totaled 87 homes sold on Black Friday. That's amazing. 87 homes with a little old video out there that I did on Wednesday about Black Friday. Now, not all 87 will probably follow through. And it's an amazing deal. It's an amazing how people will sign a contract and want to buy a house, but never follow through. And so we really don't know yet until we get the money in, right? And they got till December 22nd. And that's really the last day of our work. That's a Thursday. And then we break for Christmas until that Monday. And it's about 30 days out from when we did the sale of Black Friday to pay for the homes. An amazing deal, $7,500 savings for a total solar giveaway or a $5,000 off in a credit box 20-foot long. So just wanted to report back with you about the reasoning and how I went about, getting the Black Friday thing. I wanted, the reason I do that is you guys, as you know, I don't have a line of credit. I don't have an investor. We don't have this big marketing finance plan. We don't have any of that. It's just me. I got to make it happen. People are relying on me. I got over, including the Amish and everything, we probably got 100 people working in the Incredibox and in Incredible Tiny Homes. I feel that pressure constantly that I've got to perform. I've got to come up with some deals. I got to make this happen, and it's a big responsibility. So I carry that. I have nowhere to fall, right? I have nowhere to go to say, hey, can you get us through this slump and up to the top, and when sales kick back in or whatever happens. Christmas is always hard. It's always hard to make a living when you're self-employed, especially in construction. Now you got the economy. Who knows where that's going? I don't know if that's going to help us or hurt us. So many people say, oh my God, you're going to sell a ton of homes because the economy's bad. People need a place to stay. I'm not so sure that's how it works. I won't know until we sell them. Right now I don't. What we had at the beginning, after the Grove is built, okay, we drew a line and said, okay, production for regular Incrediboxes are going to stop, and we got to build the Grove. And we're building nothing but Grove now until the first of the year. Then after that, we only had 92 homes to build. 92. We built 50 a month. That's less than 2 months' work. That's all we had on the books, 2 months. And I got 60 people running the Incredibox. 50, 60, right? Include the office and all that, forklift people. Month and a half, people, you'd lose your mind knowing you got that many people and you only got 6 weeks of work. That is some stress, all right? So I said, I've got to sell more, and that's why I came up with that deal. And we sold, hopefully, we may have sold 87 homes. If we did, you know what? That gets us through maybe another month, right? So that's where we're at in the Incredibox. The Incredibox can build 600 to 900 a year homes. That takes a lot of sales. We're going to Scottsdale, Arizona. We may offer a good deal there. If you're near that area, please show up, come see us. If you want an Incredibox, you better come, and man, we're gonna probably have some good deals for you. So please, and if you don't want to buy one, love to meet you, shake your hand, give you a hug, and say, hey, thanks for following us, subscribing to our channel. And I've never been to Scottsdale. I've been in that area before when I built years ago a restaurant in Glendale, I think it was, in South Phoenix, but we're going to be there all weekend. Come see us. Thank you for everything. And I hope you understood about our Black Friday, the Grove people. I hope you're excited about it. And I hope my little story about being in adversity and trying to overcome doubters and people that say things. I have never in my life ever been in a business where I've had so many people socially want to just disarm you and make fun of you and do whatever they can to break you down. And you know what? I finally learned how to deal with it. And I am so relieved that it doesn't bother me near as what it used to be. And I'm good. I feel like I'm in a place where I've always wanted to be in my life, and it feels good to be there. And you know, a lot of it comes from you all, of the encouragement. When I went to Fresno, I hadn't been out in the real world and talked to people. We just been building. And when I went to Fresno, so many people came and just shared their liking of our company and what we do and what we stand for. And it was massively encouraging for me. It really helped me. And I thought to myself, I said, there are so many good people out here that we're helping, and they're helping us. And it was just encouraging. It just solidified everything. And I'm going to close with this. And if you're watching Greg, I want to say thank you for a scenario he put together. And I thought it was interesting. I don't know if I've said it before, but he's a friend of mine, and we're building him a home. And he'd said that he thought it was a unique way that we do business, that we've been able to combine philanthropy and capitalism together. I never thought about that. I may have mentioned this before, but I just want to give him a shout out and say, thanks for letting me think like that. I never thought of it like that, but we're able to, philanthropy is help people get in homes, but at the same time, we're combining with capitalism because we've got to make a profit, and I'm here to make money, but we're here to help folks too. Our lots are $200 a piece, and we know we can do more, and we're not. They're $200 a month. So anyway, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Hope all these little tidbits and these little things that I share with you guys, hopefully it means something in your life. You can carry it further on than just tiny homes. I hope you guys watch this. Biggest thing is, please spread the word about our company. Let somebody else know that you're watching Incredible Tiny Homes, and it helps us stay in business. All right? Thank you very much, and I'll see you in Scottsdale this weekend. And I got to hit this. I got you guys on a tripod. All right, everybody. Have a good night.